Lovelies, welcome back. It's Fifi777 and today I am going to do a review of Love Me hair. Please excuse the noise outside. They are doing construction. There's nothing I can do about it. So anyway, if you're new here, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. I upload on Mondays and Fridays. Okay, let's get into Love Me Hair. Okay, Love Me Hair is a company that has affordable luxury wigs. And I received this. It took 3 days only to receive this lovely Love Me Hair. It came in a DSL package and I already took that out. So I have the box. I'm going to do an unboxing on this hair. And I was very impressed that it came so fast. Anyway, let me get right into it. I'm going to crack it open right now. This is my favorite color. I love the box. This is really pretty, because I just love purple. Anyway, so that's that. Now this hair that I ordered was to make a braided wig. So let me see what comes in here. I know that there is a full lace wig inside, but they sent me some extra goodies too. Okay, here it is. This is how the packaging inside looks. And it says, enjoy your journey from now on. And Helena is the founder of this company. And that was her message. Okay, so inside the box right away, oops, I see that there are 2 packages. Okay, one of these, they sent me some hair to braid or do whatever I want to make a wig, a braided wig out of. Okay, these are, oh wow, look at this, y'all. This is a long braid that they sent me to make, you know, a braided hair wig out of, or a lock wig. I haven't decided yet exactly what I want to do, whether I want to do a braided hair wig or whether I want to do a lock wig. Y'all help me out. If you think I should do a lock wig, let me know. If you think I should do a braided hair wig, let me know. So that's one of the things that they sent in the bag. Oh, they sent two of these synthetic braids to make the braided hair wig out of. Then this, in this package, this is the full lace wig, and it's not going to be long because this is just so that you can make your braided hair wig out of. Let's see how this looks. This is actually rather short. Oh, okay, this is it. So, oh yeah, this is very short. This is just to make the braided hair wig out of. Okay, this is a full lace wig. Let me show you. Full lace all around the cap. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 combs. You see these combs all over the cap? I'm trying to show you, but okay, there it is. And it also has an adjustable strap. So I'm gonna see what I'm gonna do with this, you know. Okay, it's not too long, so I'm thinking that this is just for making a wig, a braided wig, or a lock wig out of. So I'm not sure you could even just wear this out, like, if you want to. It's really short. I don't know what you can do with it. I don't know if it curls up. I don't know if it does any of those things, but this is what I'm going to make my wig out of. Now, in the box also, they send you a little pocketbook, and this is also in purple, and I love the purple, y'all. So I'm gonna open it up and let you see what's inside. Alrighty. You get a comb. You get some bobby pins. The strap to put on wig, elastic strap, and I have a small head, so this I would probably need this, and I never got anything like this before. That's so cool. Okay, and let's see what else is in this bag. Oh, look, y'all, it's the Love Me clip. Matter of fact, I'm gonna put this on right now. Let's see the lovely clip. Is that cute? Okay, then also in the bag, I don't even know what this is, y'all. Okay, let me open it up. Some stuff in here. Oh, this is like a little silk scarf that you put around, I guess, hold down your edges and stuff. Okay, that's cool. Let's see, is there anything else in this bag? And some tweezers. Okay, not only that, they send you a wig cap. I can always use wig caps because I go through these like a lot. Okay, and also the last thing in the box is the Love Me Here little pamphlet. And they show you how to take care of your hair. I know you can't see that. Let me see if this camera will adjust. Yeah, so they show you how to take care of your hair. Excuse my nails, y'all. And they tell you about refunds and returning the hair if you don't like it, I guess. And how to care for your hair, how to use your hair and wig, facts about products and uses. So this is very helpful. Okay, so that is it with the unboxing. Now I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna not in this video, in the next video I will make a wig. I don't know if I'm gonna do a full tutorial on making the wig or just show you a little bit of how I make the wig. So y'all help me out. Do you think I should make a braided hair wig, or should I do a lock wig? So let me know down in the comment section, and whatever one you choose, that's what I will do. Okay, thank you so much for watching. And again, if you're new here and you like this video, please subscribe, hit the like button, and also hit the notification bell. I upload on Mondays and Fridays, so come back. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, lovelies.